Hi, I'm Steve. Come on in and let me introduce you to this awesome cheesy scalloped potato and bacon dish that I make every couple of weeks. It is very popular in our household. This is an easy dish to make. As with many dishes, it's the preparation that takes up most of the time, and this dish is no exception. I start with 8 or 9 potatoes, 2 medium to large yellow onions, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, and half a block of aged white cheddar cheese. Peel and slice the potatoes, the onions, and the garlic, and grate the cheese. I would also count out 8 slices of bacon and cut them into 1-inch pieces. Just set all of that aside. Now it's time to prepare the cream sauce. Turn the stove element onto a medium-high heat, place a pan on the element, and add the butter to the pan. Once the butter is melted, start adding your flour. It'll probably take you a couple of tablespoons of flour. Whisk it together. You're looking for a nice paste, and you do want to whisk that paste over the heat for a minute or two in order to cook the flour. Once you've cooked the paste, it's time to slowly add the cream. So just add a little cream and whisk it together with the paste. Rinse and repeat. Keep slowly adding cream and whisking it until you have a lump-free sauce with a nice sheen and viscosity. This should leave you little to no heavy cream in your container. When your base sauce is ready, it's time to add some salt and pepper and then the chopped garlic. Whisk all that in. Now add the bacon pieces. Once the sauce is prepared, take it off the heat and set it aside. It's now time to start assembling the dish. I start by putting a small amount of sauce on the bottom of the pan and then layering potatoes and onion. Add another layer of sauce and then sprinkle some cheese on top. You just keep building up the dish like this. Pour out the remainder of your sauce on top and spread it around. I like to sprinkle some nutmeg on the dish, though you can wait till later in the process if you'd like. Take a cup of either chicken or beef stock and pour it carefully over the dish. The stock will help to cook the potatoes and will evaporate off the excess fluid later in the cooking process. Now I wrap the dish in tin foil and then place it into a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 1.5 to 2 hours. At the end of that time, I remove the tin foil and place the dish back into the 400-degree Fahrenheit oven and cook it for another 1 to 1.5 hours. During that time, the excess water should evaporate off and you'll start to get a nice color on the top of the dish. When ready, serve it up and I hope you enjoy. I like to add a spoon or two of my spicy roasted red pepper sauce for some additional flavor notes. It pairs very well.